Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Hamilton Beach electric hand mixer. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Snap-on storage case. One of the standout features of this mixer is the snap-on storage case that neatly holds the two beaters and the whisk. This convenient storage solution keeps everything in one place, reducing the chance of misplacing the attachments. No more digging through drawers for your mixer parts, everything is easily accessible and tidy. Multiple speed settings. With 6 different speed options and a quick burst button, the Hamilton Beach hand mixer gives you full control over your mixing tasks. Whether you're gently folding ingredients or mixing in dense dough, you'll have the flexibility to adjust the speed to suit any recipe. The quick burst function provides an extra burst of power when needed, making it even easier to handle tougher tasks like mixing thick cookie dough or batter. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor ensures that the hand mixer has enough power for all types of mixing jobs. Whether you're whipping up a light meringue or stirring in heavy ingredients like chocolate chips or nuts, this mixer has the strength to get the job done. It delivers consistent performance for everything from cake batters to whipped cream. Easy attachment ejection. After you finish mixing, you won't need to worry about getting your hands dirty. Simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments, making cleanup quick and easy. The beaters and whisker are dishwasher safe, so you can just toss them in for a hassle-free cleanup. Bowl rest feature. Another thoughtful design element is the bowl rest feature. This feature allows the hand mixer to sit securely on the edge of your mixing bowl, preventing it from tipping over. This is especially helpful when adding ingredients, as it keeps the mixer stable and prevents any messy drips from spilling onto your countertop. Pros. Convenient storage. The snap-on storage case keeps all attachments in one place, making it easy to find them when needed. Versatile speed options. With 6 speeds and the quick burst function, the mixer can handle a variety of recipes, from light batters to thick doughs. Powerful performance. The 250-watt motor delivers enough power to handle both delicate and heavy mixing tasks. Easy cleanup. The dishwasher-safe attachments and one-touch ejection feature make cleaning up after mixing a breeze. Bowl rest feature. The mixer's ability to rest on the edge of the bowl reduces the risk of spills and makes adding ingredients easier. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. While the 250-watt motor is sufficient for most tasks, it may not be powerful enough for extremely heavy or commercial-level mixing, such as very thick bread dough. Plastic construction. The build quality, though sturdy, features a plastic body which might not have the same long-lasting durability as higher-end metal mixers. The Hamilton Beach electric hand mixer is a reliable, affordable, and convenient tool for any kitchen. With its 6 speed settings, powerful 250-watt motor, and thoughtful features like the bowl rest and snap-on storage case, it's designed to make your mixing tasks easier and more organized. While it might not be the best option for heavy-duty tasks, it's perfect for everyday baking, whipping, and mixing needs. For more information on pricing and availability, check the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more reviews and kitchen gadget insights.